Hey, good morning. Mark Dabiest here. It's very hard to be consistent. Just a few days ago, I committed to do a video diary every day, and not even one weekend. I already missed. I already missed one yesterday. So this is video number 7 on the video diary series. So it's currently May 31, 2024. It is it's 2:50 a.m. in the morning, and nandito ako ngayon sa parking lot ng Planet Fitness. Magji-gym. Buhay ko dito sa Amerika ganun lang. Eat, sleep, gym, repeat. Duty. Eat, sleep, duty, gym, repeat. Ulit-ulit lang. Being consistent is really hard. It is not the things that are like it is the easy things, like it is the easy things that you do every day that is actually hard to be consistent on. It's like the mundane things that ano bang nangyari kahapon? Bakit hindi ako nakapag-video ng diary ko? Kahapon, actually nagjo-joke lang kami ni Romjay na bibili siya ng sasakyan kahapon. It's really, taxes here in America is really high, but you can actually afford basically anything you want if you just like work hard for it. Kahapon, di naman talaga seryoso na parang 50-50 lang si Romjay na bibili ng sasakyan. Tapos ayun, 3 hours lang sa Mazda, binili niya yung top of the line na 650 CX-50. My routine here sa America is just this. When I'm off, I usually just make videos, and even that is kung titingnan mo yung mga vloggers, kala mo napakadali lang yung everyday ganun lang, but even this, just the video series, like actually just talking to a camera for like 1 to 2 minutes 1 to 2 minutes na video actually is like 10 minutes long, and I took like 3 videos just to complete a 2-minute video, and it'll take me like an hour to just like cut it up and then post it. Yeah. So routine dito sa Amerika, pag off ko, I just as much as possible I jog or get my 10,000 steps in, and then I go to the gym. Usually I go to the gym at like 12 midnight or 1 a.m. or like this hour. It's like almost 3 o'clock in the morning because there's not a lot of people. Tingnan nyo ang parking lot. Yan. Ilan lang yung tao. It's like 7 sasakyan lang dito, tsaka ako. So I like it like that because solo ko yung machine, and then after this one, the gym will just take me for like 2 hours, and then I'll go home. Plano ko sana magji-gym kagabi. Andun pa yung actually magluluto pa sana ako ng dinner, and then naghiga-higa lang ako sa sopa. Yun, nakatulog na ako. My sleep here is not really that good anymore, na yung parang usual na may pattern. Usually I just wake up like very early in the morning, like this, like 3 a.m., 2 a.m. or at midnight, and then I can't sleep anymore because I think my sleep cycle just got fucked up with being night shifts, having night shifts at the hospital, and I usually just take a nap after lunch, and then just go to bed whenever I want. I don't have like a usual cycle anymore. So ayun lang, update. This is just what I do every day. Pag off gym, lang. Eat, gym, sleep, repeat. That's all what I do here. Okay guys, gym muna tayo. Bye bye. Just got out from the gym. To end this video, I just want to share a quote. So usually when I go to the gym or take a walk, I listen to like seminars and self-improvement podcasts, and I just want to share a quote that I heard. This is from Jim Rohn, and he said, "Don't just live your life, design it. Don't just exist, grow, develop, change, become unique."